Hi everyone, this is Dr. Seipel with a practical PSSA professional development video. The PSSA is given each year in Pennsylvania. We give it to grades 3 through 8 for reading and math and grades 4 through 8 for science. Here are the dates that we will assess in the Hanover Public School District this year. Preparing students, there are glossary terms, vocabulary, which are assessed on each of the grade level PSSAs. If you click here, you'll be able to see the vocabulary for mathematics broken down by grade level. Here you will see the math eligible content. It was changed in 2014 and has remained the same since. The test design is important to know, so we're making sure that we're concentrating on the types of questions that will be asked on the PSSA. There are new show and teach sample math test questions. The scoring samplers have been released and I have linked them here. They are samples from last year's test. Same with teaching the reading glossary terms. If you click on that last screen, you will be able to see the vocabulary. Then teach and assess the reading eligible content. I have it linked here. It was updated in 2017 and has remained the same since then. The compacted assessment anchors seem to be easier to read and understand. If you click here, you will see the vocabulary topics by grade level. You will also see the reading test design. Test-dependent analysis is started in grade 4. Here are the 2019 released items and scoring sampler. Remember, teach students to write text-dependent responses according to the rubric. There are also science glossary terms, and I have linked the assessment glossary and the assessment anchors and eligible content to this slide. The science test design is shown here. The nature of science continues to be the primary area assessed. You can also administer practice assessments by going to this link and choosing the grade level and subject area, and you can assess students on released content. Know your accommodation guidelines, what you can and cannot do, who you can and cannot scribe for, and also accommodations for English learners. So now that we are in March, it's important to check how much eligible content you have covered and how your students are doing. If it hasn't been covered yet, you'll need to instruct it. So you'll need to plan your instruction until the PSSAs and check your pacing. And remember to review the PSSA language and vocabulary. Since we're about a month and a half out, know what you haven't covered yet by eligible content and unit and check that pacing, and remediate areas of weakness for your students. Take the online trainings and attend any trainings offered by your building principal. And here are some links that may help you. Thank you.